beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In case you are new here, welcome to Shazk. I'm proud mother of one, a son, living in Mombasa, Kenya. On this channel, I share my lifestyle, motherhood, shopping, cooking, traveling, and every life moment. I'm so happy to have you here. Please subscribe to join my journey. To my subscribers, thank you very much. I appreciate. Today I'm going to the market to shop some vegetables. So please join me. We do shopping together as I show you the biggest market in Mombasa. So guys, let's go together. Today you'll see our biggest market. This is the way to the market today. I'm going to the biggest market in Mombasa. Kongowea market, the biggest market where everyone comes to buy vegetables, to buy clothes, shoes. Everyone from also in countryside, people come to buy here because it's the biggest market. They come to buy in a wholesale and they go sell in retail. It's really a biggest market. So sometimes I prefer going to this market to buy vegetables when I need bulky because yeah, we get some vegetables on the way, like in my near home, but I prefer going to the big market so that I don't get limited things. I get everything I want. So yeah, so let's go together, guys. You will see. Look, guys, this building is being brought down. They are bringing it down all because in this road they will make it a dual carriage. It will be a super highway. And in Africa, this is Africa, if you build along the road, you have to be told by government to move. Yeah, to let construction go smoothly. So people are moving. People have moved. Actually, people have moved and now they are bringing the building down. You can imagine this building, there were some people living there, families, and there were some shops down there, stores, some businesses. And now you can imagine those people, they had to move because they know otherwise. Yeah, and at least we can see the owner has saved some windows and doors. Yeah. And now, yeah, they will bring everything down on along this road. And you can see here on this building also, they are trying to save everything they can. The bricks and the metal. Yes, guys, the owner is trying to save everything he can so that he don't lose it all.
Miongoni mwa wasanii ambao mimi naweza nikasema status zao mpaka sasa hivi wanazilinda kutokana na vile ambavyo watu wanatamani kuona mastaa wetu wanavyokaa. Lakini pia katika uchaguzi wake wa kumtafuta ni nani ambaye labda angemshirikisha kwenye hii ngoma kumweka Kala Moto na Free.
Nani hujafungua?
Chavuke peke yake. guys, when you get to the market, you get some people, they help you to carry vegetables as you shop. So you get these guys, and then you get a guy, they carry for you everything you buy, they help you up to where you want to go. So it was nice. I met this guy and he helped me to carry everything for me, and you got to pay.
Tukikuja sokoni tena tuko tunakuita, si ndio? Si hata ni wewe ndio unabebea hiyo msichana.
Ile zawadi kwa sababu ni adangu anatoka sasa twajuana kabisa. Nikimwona ndo tuanze tayari safari ya kuangalia vitu hivyo kabisa.
Kumbe ndo maana hakutaka kuchukua kitambo.
Hakutaka kuchukua kitambo. Alivyoniona tayari katoka kwa dada kwa basi kijana ndo anda anambebea.
Haya, twashukuru. Si ndio? Na unaona kama umeanzana na zawadi
Hey guys, now this is my packed fridge. After market, here how I pack my vegetables. Here are the tomatoes. Yeah, tomatoes, the arrowroot guys, I keep them here in the bucket. Watermelon, corn, and yeah, some cucumbers, carrots, some white peppers here, cornflower and broccoli. I keep them there, and other green pepper there, and some strawberries. Yes, guys, this is how I keep them after market. And I have now some other in my vegetable rack: cabbage, coconut, ginger there, some French. No, not French. This is a green peas. French peas are in the fridge, guys. And then this mango, I kept them here, because they're not ready. They're ripe yet. So when they're not ripe yet. So when they ripe, I'll keep them in the fridge. And some of avocados and sweet potatoes here, and now potatoes. Yes, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share, and leave the comment down below and let me know what you think. Let's meet in the next video.